Well, hello there. We're now on Wednesday, December 27th, 2017. We're up here in northeastern Ohio. And I just want to say a big hello to everybody. And thank y'all. And over here we have a 66.2% moon over in the southeast sky. It's up pretty high, about 33 degrees from the horizon, so the sun hasn't quite set yet. I did get some footage this afternoon of the sun, but there wasn't much there. Just I tried to get the sunspots. There's supposed to be the 3 or 4 sunspots over there in the upper right hand corner. I couldn't find them at all on any of the footage, so I didn't even bother putting it up. But it's quite cold over here in Ohio. Not as bad as like in Canada, but this morning it was, oh my goodness, 4 degrees below zero here. That's Fahrenheit. I think that's about 20 degrees below 0 Celsius. But it's warmed up a bit. I don't know, it might be 5 degrees or so out right now. But really shouldn't call that warm, huh? But I wanted to get a little bit here since we had some clearing today. Looks like it's moving pretty good, pretty fast clip, as it normally does when it's zoomed in this far. But in case you haven't heard about it, there was yet another rocket launch. I think it was yesterday, and it looked just like the one that was reported as a SpaceX one from a few days ago. But this one was over in Russia. And it looked just like it. And the other weird stuff was that there were so many rockets shot off that day. I think it was on the 23rd, like 2 days before Christmas. I have to look now. But yeah, the Japanese launched a rocket, one that looked like a real rocket. And that was 1 minute prior to the one from the US. And then they shot theirs off, and so many people got some great shots of it, but it was quite odd looking. Started to wonder if it was like a portal or some elites trying to escape our planet or something. Who knows? But yeah, the one in Russia that went off should be yesterday. Looked just like the SpaceX one, Falcon X, whatever, and of course they used a different rocket. So I don't know what's going on, but there's some great footage out there. Weird stuff going on up in our skies. But I was wondering if other people would pick up on the other rockets that were being shot off, but about the only person that picked up on it was Mr. MBB. But anyway, so that's enough about rockets and all that good stuff. We'll see if anything comes out on here, any odd stuff. It's been a while since I caught anything unusual up there. But I also haven't been out very often. So on this very chilly day, I'm going to say goodbye and wish you all a wonderful night. Y'all take care, and bye for now. Fucking hell, it's cold out here. Lord have mercy. I don't see it. Damn thing's loud. Wow. Sounds like it's right over top of me, but I don't see anything. into something over there. No, I can't find it. There it is. Alright, my fingers are so numb I can't work the controls, so. And yeah, I have gloves on, but the finger and thumb are cut out so I can work the things, but oh my, gotta go. Bye now.